In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Then click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Now you need to tap on Add Facial Profile over here. Click on this icon to enable or disable Raise to Wake feature, and when you're ready, hit Get Started. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can name your face data however you want to, and when you finished, hit Done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!